Hi friends, in this video we are going to solve exercise 9.2 question 1 and 2. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start. This is algebraic expression identities class 8. Okay, so first question. So what is the first question? Find the product. So before starting this question, I am going to tell you just 2-3 very important concepts. Okay, so these few concepts are very you must be knowing them already. They are very easy. Plus into minus is minus, then if you multiply the two minus terms, then it is minus into minus is plus, and if any one of you have any doubt, plus into plus is also plus. So plus into minus is minus, minus into minus is plus, and plus into plus is also plus. This is one thing, and important thing is if you multiply two terms like this. Okay, so understand this, how we multiply. If we are multiplying the two terms, we multiply the numbers. Okay, 3 and 6, we multiply the numbers, it is 6 3 is 18. And what we do about the variables, we add the number of variables. That means how many variables, how many x were there in the first term. There was no power, that means it was 1x. Here also in the second term also, how many x are there? What is the power to that x? Nothing, that means it's also 1 in the second term also. So in all there are 2x, x into x is nothing but x square. So actually what we are doing here, we are using this formula of exponents and power. If we have the same base like this, x raised to 2 into x raised to 3, and base is same, there is multiplication, then we have to add the powers. 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, so these two concepts are very important for us to solve this exercise. So now I think we should be able to solve the exercise very easily. First question. So first question is find the product of the following pairs. Okay, and out of that the first is 4 and 7 5. So I am multiplying now. Both are plus, so answer is going to be plus only. 4 7s are 28, and there is only one p here. There is no other p, so that p will remain as it is. That's it. Question 1 is done. Question 2, minus 4p multiplied by 7p. There is no sign to that 7, that means it's positive. We know that plus into minus is minus, so answer will be negative. 7 4s are 28. What is the power of p in the first term? It's 1. What is the power of p in the second term? Again it's 1. So when the base is same and there is multiplication, we add the powers. So it becomes p raised to power 2, that is p square. That's it. The second question is also done. Now we move on to the third one. Minus 4p multiplied by 7p cube. Again, what is the sign to the second term? It was nothing, that means positive. So again plus into minus is going to be minus, minus 28. P's power is 1 in the first term and also 1 in the second term. So it becomes p raised to power 1 plus 1 p square, and q is only 1 in the second term only. So this q will remain as it is. So this is our final answer, friends, of question number 3 of question 1. Okay. So now we move on to the next question of question 1. So question 1's fourth question is 4p cube multiplied by minus 3p. Okay, what is the sign of the first term? It was nothing, that means plus. Again plus into minus is minus 12. Fourth is a 12. What is the power of p in the second term? It was 1, as there was no power. And what is the power of p in the first term? P raised to 3. So when the base is same and there is multiplication, we add the power, so it becomes p raised to power 4. So this is our final answer, friends, for the fourth question. Now we move on to the last question here. This is the easiest one. We know that anything multiplied by 0 is 0. Final answer. Okay. So now the second question, question 2 of exercise 9.2. First, find the areas of the rectangles with the following pairs of monomials as their length and breadth respectively. So, in the first question, L, that means length is P and breadth is Q, and we have to find the area of rectangle. So, how to find the area of rectangle? What is the formula? It is length into breadth. What is length? It's P. What is breadth? It's Q. P into Q, you cannot do anything further. P into Q cannot be R. So this is our final answer. That's it. Square units. Okay. I hope you have understood this question clearly. Now let's move on to the next one. Question 2's second question now we are doing. Okay. What is the length given to us? It is 10 m, and what is the breadth? It is 5n. Now I have written the formula, length into breadth. What is length? It's 10 m, and what is breadth? It's 5n. So actually this question is similar to the first one. Only difference is here also we are multiplying only. Only difference is here we have to write the formula also. Otherwise everything is same. Now here plus into plus is plus, 10 5s are 50, 1m and 1n as it is. That's it. Question finished. So now that brings us to the next question. Okay, question number 3 of 2. What is the length in the third question? 20x square, and what is the breadth? 5y square. Now area is length into breadth, that is 20x square into 5y square. 25 is 100, x raised to 2 and y raised to 2. That's answer, friends. Simple questions. Now that brings us to the second last question of question 2. Length is given as 4x, breadth is given as 3x square. We have to find the area. Again, length is 4x, breadth is 3x square. Now I am multiplying, plus into plus is plus, so 4 3s are 12. And how many x are there in the first term? It is x raised to power nothing, that is 1, and in the second term the power is 2. So if the base is same and there is multiplication, we have to add the powers. So it becomes 12 x raised to power 3. So that brings us to the last question of this exercise, friends. Okay, not exercise, this video. So the last question has length 3mn and breadth 4np. I am putting the values in length and breadth. 3mn multiplied by 4np. So both are positive. 3 4s are 12. 1m it is only 1 p, and what about n? Power 1 in the first term, power 1 in the second term also. So it becomes n raised to power 2. This is our final answer, friends. I hope you have understood all the questions. If you like the video, you can please go to the comment box. Tell me that you like the video. If you did not, you can write that also. Okay. Also, if you really like, then you can subscribe to the channel, share the channel with your friends, share the video with your friends. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.